pocketbook is empty and my heart is full of
chocolate cake. For this you'll need 375 grams of plain flour, 250 grams of caster sugar, 65 grams of cocoa plus extra for dusting tins, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, half a teaspoon of salt, 400 grams of double cream, 285 grams of cold water, 2 tablespoons of white wine vinegar. I haven't got white wine vinegar, so I'm using apple vinegar, and 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract. Add all the ingredients to the bowl. Flour, caster sugar, baking powder, salt, cocoa powder, water, double cream, vinegar, and the vanilla extract. Using an electric mixer, mix on low and then on medium for about 3 minutes. Divide the mixture between 2 identical cake tins. Bake for 20 to 22 minutes for 20 centimeter cake layers at 155 degrees centigrade. I don't know whether it's fan or conventional, I don't know the Fahrenheit, the recipe doesn't say. And now for the taste test. I give it 18 out of 20 on the scrumptious scale, only 17 out of 20 for texture. For the filling and coating I used chocolate buttercream, which can be seen elsewhere.
pocketbook is empty and my heart is full of pain. I'm 1,000 miles away from home, just waiting for